Hello, my name is Brenda Hayward. This video is called Tips on Paying Off Your Mortgage Early. Homeowners, you have decided to think about making a big change in the way you do things, and one of them are learning how to pay off your mortgage early. This video will mention considerations to review and consider. This video will include 1. Short-term liquidity, 2. Make bi-weekly mortgage payments, and 3. Refinance your mortgage. Number 1. Make extra mortgage payments. Homeowners, there are several different avenues you can use to go about paying off your home mortgage early. This payment plan can be accomplished in two methods. The first one is that you review the breakdown of the mortgage payment and see what the principal payment amount is. You then utilize the information and make the extra principal payments or make a lump sum payment early. Please make sure the ability for you to pay off your mortgage early is written in the loan agreement. With these options, homeowners can make extra principal payments when they have the funds available. Please let the mortgage company know you want the extra funds sent and put towards the applied principal. 2. Make bi-weekly mortgage payments. Homeowners, most lenders allow you to set up a bi-weekly payments. If this is something you like, contact them. Bi-weekly payments allow you, the borrower, to make one extra payment a year. Even this one payment will save you a large amount of mortgage interest. If for some reason you can't make a bi-weekly payment, then because when you receive your paychecks, try to pay that extra payment at the end of the year. It amounts to the same arrangement. Homeowners, instead of 12 payments, you'll be making 13 payments per year. Number 3, finance your mortgage. Homeowners, please review your current interest rate you are carrying on your mortgage. Research what interest rates may be available to you. After you feel confident that you know what the marketplace is doing, before you you should get your credit checked and see if you have late payments and your scoring is low, you might not qualify for a lower interest rate. However, if your scoring is high, please take the time and contact your current lender to see if they currently do refinancing on mortgage loans. If your mortgage company says they don't, then try another lender. For example, if you have a 30-year loan and are almost halfway through, which is around 15 years, you can stay on that same amount plan with just a little lower payments and save on the interest. Or depending on the change of your income in your home, you may qualify for a 15-year mortgage with a little increases in monthly payments. Refinancing for a short term should only be done if you have funds available and it will not impact your financial budget or emergency fund. This is just a little about me. I'm a person who enjoys food. However, cherry cheesecake is one of my favorite foods. Just to let you know, I am not a real estate agent, accountant, lawyer, investor, or loan officer. Please let me know if you like this video by clicking a thumbs up, subscribing, or leaving comments below. Sellers, how are you investing the funds? Are they being put in your savings account? The rest of this video includes 4, make a large sum principal payment, 5, mortgage recasting, 6, prepayment penalties, and 7, what happens after the final payment is made. Number 4, make a large sum principal payment. Homeowners, if you have current funding available that was not previously available to you, like an inheritance or cash windfall. Windfalls could include other lump sum payments such as a yearly work bonus or a yearly tax refund. Yes, the idea of putting it towards your principal can reduce your interest owed and the years you may have left to pay off your mortgage. Number 5, mortgage recasting. Homeowners, if you have a large lump sum of money that might be put a real dent in your mortgage principal, I would suggest talking to your lender to see if the mortgage loan can be recasted, which adjusts the amortization schedule to reflect the new principal balance. The recasting should provide lower monthly payments. However, your interest rate and loan payments do not change. The benefit of recasting is the mortgage adjustment does not cost nearly as much as refinancing. Homeowners, mortgage fees for recasting are usually a few $100s. Please contact your mortgage lender to confirm if they will allow mortgage recast option for your loan package. Number 6, prepayment penalties. Homeowners, before you decide on any of these routes, please contact your lender to find out if your loan package agreement and see if they mention any prepayment penalties. Homeowners, even though an extra monthly payment is common, please check to ensure the funds exchanged do not cause a penalty on the back end of the loan, causing additional funds due prior to payoff issuance. Number 7, what happens after the final payment is made? Homeowners, if you are nearing the final payment of paying off your mortgage, homeowners, your lender will provide you with documents that state the loan is paid off. These documents are referred to as a mortgage release or mortgage satisfaction. You will receive this information in the mail stating the mortgage is paid in full. You will also receive a canceled promissory note which was signed when you purchased your home. The lender will submit the paperwork to your recorder's office or your local registry of deeds. The recording may take a few months to get the documents recorded. However, it is important that you follow up and make sure this step is completed by your lender. Please let me know if you like this video by clicking a thumbs up and subscribing or leaving comments below. My name is Brenda Hayward, and thanks for your time.